Miss Carly. So today I'm going to be showcasing my newest way that I do my very long nails and how they last over 3 weeks with no lifting. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So I have definitely been on a really awesome nail journey of DIY for over a year, and honestly it has been such a game changer for me, and these nails last so much longer than if I actually got them from a salon, and also spending buku dollars at the salon and never getting what I want. So like I mentioned, this is actually my 3rd video that I have done, and they just keep getting better. I keep finding the newest and the coolest new things. So my first video right here, and my 2nd video, I actually use these Amazon nails right here. These are great, honestly, really great if you're starting out and just want to give it a try. But I have graduated from these nails, and actually I have tried the Enailcouture, and one of the things that got me started, and this really hard to believe, but these nails almost were becoming like too short for me, as silly as that sounds. And I get it, these nails are long and they scare the shit out of me for sure. But I'm keeping them long for this video. So they actually have the longest nails on the internet, which is so exciting. And really what the coolest thing with Enailcouture, with all of their nails, it comes in so many shapes, lengths, and styles. Like, it is over the top, and in fact a little like, whoa, what should I pick? But just pick a few, honestly. One thing I will say, which is a total upgrade for doing these soft gel nails versus these plastic like acrylic nails right here, is that these actually keep their shape a lot longer than these. So when I was wearing these, they'd really start to like round out and just honestly lose their shape. They're just, of course, a little bit more money, but to be honest with you, they are worth their weight in gold for sure. So I have these in actually 2 different styles. These are the XLs, and they actually come with an XXL. So they have a style that's even longer than these. Oh my gosh. So if you did catch any of the other 2 videos that I did with my nails, like, they're all kind of the exact same concept with adhering it to the nail, which is really easy. Before I actually got the product that I actually use, which is the press-on gel right here, I was using the Happy Gel here, which is basically the poly gel right here, and this works really great. It's just a little bit more difficult to apply because it's a poly gel, while this, it basically applies like a nail polish. And then also with Enailcouture, they are constantly like upgrading and coming out with new styles, new shapes, new everything. The one thing I will say with these nails is that it takes a very long time for them to be shipped because they are made in America, and it's also a small business. So it can literally take over 30 days for you to get them. So do not be a rush for the package. It will come. It will just take a very long time, but worth the wait. So let's just get going with how I did these nails. Alright, so I have soaked off my nails. Definitely the longest part is soaking off your nails of this process. Of course, using 100% acetone is key. And then I always use various of tools to help kind of, you know, scrape them off, if you will. This is a cuticle guy, but I really like this flat guy right here. I did get this from Walmart, I believe, but yeah, I like to use many tools to kind of help with that. Of course, using a file to kind of help as well. I'm gonna be using a nail prep right here, which is a dehydrator. I'm gonna put 2 coats of this on, and then I am gonna put a base coat, which needs this lamp right here. So now for the nails, I've actually already have them lined up right here. On their website, they actually started on some of the nails, and I don't know if that's the difference between this being a little cloudy than the other one, if you could tell, but they're starting to like pre-prep the inside of the nail with like pre-sanding it. I don't know, but I always just do it anyway, and then I will just go on the inside real lightly. I cannot really do the pinkies because they're too small, but I will start the prep. So I actually have 2 lamps, and the reason why I have this one is that it's really great. As you can see, I've propped it up with just like 2 bottles right here. I've used glasses, but when you're kind of doing this system, you have to press down
while getting it underneath. So sometimes with like this other one that I have, which just happens to be just a higher wattage, like you clearly cannot manipulate it. But I've definitely used just this one only. I've just upgraded to this like higher watt one right here. All right, so now for the fun part with the press-on gel right here. So I do have this in the clear and in the pink, I believe. So I'm actually just gonna be using the clear for this application. But this is like super fast and easy. You're just gonna, for me, I just press it down, you know, just put like a light coat over the whole thing, and then make sure you get all the edges, and then you kind of take some of the excess and kind of just press it in there, because you're gonna be moving the nail at a 45-degree angle at the base. So I kind of just, personally for me, I just stick it down, and then you just slowly press down as you see the air bubbles just pop out, and that looks pretty good. So then I'm gonna use my acrobatic moves and go underneath the light and just seal it for about, you know, 10 seconds or so. And there it is, not bad. All right, so I'm just gonna continue on. So again, I personally just put a light coat through the whole part of the nail that hits my nail, and then I just take some of the excess and press it down in there. Okay, and press it right into the cuticle, press down, and use another nail and pop it in. All right, so I've put them both on again. So I've definitely switched my lamps. I'm not trying to be a 2-lamp kind of girl, but I do really like this because I can put both of my hands in at one time. So honestly, this lamp was like 30-some dollars, so I was willing to spend $30 extra just to make my nail life just a little bit faster. And then just to lightly buff the nails for the polish, this is a 240 grit right here. I actually really like this shape, which is the stiletto, and I just take my trimmers right here, and I generally just like knob off just part of the top, and it basically gives me a shape that I really like, but I'm gonna keep them long. I'm actually also really excited to try this nail color right here, which is that soft white. So
and voila, gorgeous long nails. I absolutely love these nails so very much. So I definitely want to know if you have tried Enailcouture. I want to see your nails. I want to see if you're using something else. So definitely reach out to me on Instagram, and I want to see your photos of you wearing your nails, your makeup, your wigs. I want to see it all, because life is short. You do you. Do not worry about what other people say, because my sister and most of my family hates my nails, but I just love it. And I honestly say, I'm sure one day I'm gonna laugh at myself for having these long nails, but until then, I love them. So let's have fun, live your best life ever. Most importantly, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous with excessively long nails, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.